our organization spends a significant amount of time looking at technology that's on the market. Um, Curious your perspective, or do you still think it's early innings? Do you think that we're maybe near the top of a hype cycle? Or are you really encouraged by the portfolio companies that you're looking at?
Early innings and encouraged. I mean,
Okay.
look, I think the pace of change has been, unprecedented, and we've just seen tremendous momentum from, a tech ecosystem perspective of pushing forward across generative AI, and now the new use cases that, are sort of being enabled and unlocked. And so I think early innings and ton of opportunity. I think the reality is, across different sectors, we're just seeing, spaces that can allow for quicker, earlier adoption than others. And so I remain very excited about the opportunity that, you know, an agentic world might bring in the future. Um, but as I think about, investing in and especially investing, in an agentic future in financial services, it's still going to be a long game. And so being very mindful of how regulation may evolve, how compliance may need to evolve, and the whole landscape in terms of, the agents and ways in which they might work with, you know, various types of enterprises. And very excited to continue to try to find, founders to back that are building exciting things.
Yeah, and I share your enthusiasm and your assessment. As I mentioned, I'm really encouraged by some of the technologies that we're looking at. But we operate in the accounting and finance space, and while we see a lot of tools that will automate key functions of a back office, we're still at a point where you need human eyes to do a final quality check. Just given the complexities associated with individual sets of financials, or just verifying that a payment is accurate before it gets made. So agreed. It'll be interesting to see how things play out in the next couple of years.